Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how quick and easy you can make elderberry syrup in your Instapot. Are you ready? Let's go. Guys, Jen here with At Home with Jen, and today we are going to be making elderberry syrup in the Instapot with essential oils. So elderberry syrup is great for flu season, but it's also great just to take year round as a supplement basically. So I have a lot of immune issues, so I take it year round just to keep up with my immune system. It's also great, it's anti-inflammatory, so it's also great for people that have sinus pain, back pain, nerve pain, chronic fatigue syndrome. So it's great for all those things and so much more. So go ahead, do a little Google search and just look at all the stuff that elderberry syrup, or elderberries basically, are really great for. So we're gonna go into my kitchen to make it, but really quick, I have 4 tips to help you when you do your elderberry, when you're making your elderberry syrup. So 1, this recipe is just kind of what I had in my kitchen at the time. My recipe changes just depending on what I have available at the time. So you'll see, again, you can Google search, there's like all kinds of different recipes, but you have 2 main ingredients. You have the elderberries and you have local organic honey. So those 2 things are pretty much the staple, and then the other things kind of get put in for taste and for supporting other issues. So my tip number 2, buy your elderberries off season. So right now, I think they're only going to be about $17, $18 a pound. They will go down, I think, as low as $14. I've seen them. This is just basically on Amazon. But during the flu season, they go up to $45, $47 a pound. So don't wait to flu season to purchase them. If you think you're going to be making it for the flu season, I would definitely start looking right now to see what the price is and purchase them. They're dried, if you buy the ones I get, they're dried, they're organic, and so they store really nice in a mason jar. And then you can save a little bit of money because don't try November, December, forget about it. They're just too expensive. So tip number 3 is I do use essential oils in mine, and a lot of times I use them because I don't have fresh ginger, I don't have cloves or something in my kitchen, so I use the oils instead. But you have to make sure you use oils that are made for internal use. Don't go to the big box store, buy those cheap oils and stick it in there, you will get sick. In fact, if you have the oils from the big box store, just throw them out because they're just full of crap. So make sure that they are labeled for internal use. I use Young Living's Vitality line because I know right on that label that it's okay to take them internally. All right, tip number 4, all you need is 1 teaspoon a day. That will help kind of keep your immune system boosted. It's kind of like a supplement. You just take a spoon, and just down like 1 teaspoon a day. That's all you need. If you do, or if you are battling the flu or you feel a cold coming on, I would up that to 3 or 4 times a day. And then, depending on how your body goes, you can even go, 5 or 6 maybe. But that will kind of give you an extra boost and hopefully will get you over that cold faster. So I store mine just in like those little jelly mason jars. And so it lasts about 2 to 3 months in the fridge. So one batch, like this batch, it will last you a few months. I actually split it up and gave some to my mom and my sister and a couple of friends. So one batch, usually, it'll last you a while. So, are you guys ready to head to my kitchen and check out the recipe and how I do it? Okay, but before you go, please make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the kitchen.